Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
I'm great, Chris. How you doing?
Excellent. Great to see you.
Yeah, it's good to see you again.
What's going on?
I love your blue shirt.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love blue. It's my favorite color.
Yeah, you're the blue collar.
It works real well. Blue Collar Bar. Yeah, sure does. Sure does.
Well, you know,
Thirsty?
I wanted some gin. Some gin in it. And I just had a caprese salad.
Okay, very light.
Yeah, a little mozzarella, tomato, basil.
Ooh. Wait, I got just a drink for you.
You have a basil drink?
I have a basil plant, and I just learned about this awesome basil cocktail called the Basil Gimlet.
No way.
Yeah, and it has the gin that you requested and the basil. It'll pair well with the salad you just had. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah, I'd love to try it.
All right, let's go with the Basil Gimlet.
The Basil Gimlet.
Yeah, like I said, we have fresh basil here. We're about.
You just picked that?
I just picked it. Yeah.
I bet it smells good.
That basil. Ooh, really opens the nose up. Sure does. We have about 6 basil leaves in here. We're gonna put in your cocktail tin, and then we're gonna muddle it. We're gonna muddle it with a muddler.
Where'd you find out about this cocktail, Chris?
This actually came from Eric Lindgren. He owns Rye.
What, like the bread?
No. The popular cocktail bar in San Francisco.
Oh, okay.
He's
City by the Bay.
That's they call themselves. Yeah. Eric Lindgren. He's a legend. Created this cocktail in 2006.
Okay.
And since then, it's come a long way.
I can smell the basil.
Yeah, too. That's good.
Fragrant.
Very, very. The gin you like, we're gonna do 2 ounces.
That's a good gin.
This is Broker's Good London Dry Gin. Very popular, very reasonable price. We're gonna pour 2 ounces into that cocktail tin with the basil already smashed. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice.
So it's like a gimlet.
It is a gimlet.
But with basil.
With basil.
Basil gimlet.
The basil gimlet, yes. Yep. And since you said gimlet, you had it for lunch, or the basil you had for your caprese salad, this is a great refreshing cocktail right after lunch. That's it. We're gonna add ice to your tin. And we're gonna shake this cocktail. Give it a good hard shake. We use fresh basil.
You really want to get that basil.
You want to mix it up real well.
Yeah.
Give it a good hard dry shake for about 30 seconds.
Dry shake?
Sorry, wet shake. With ice. Okay. Now, since we use fresh ingredients, you always want to double straight.
Yeah,
So we have a coupe glass here, chilling.
Chris, it smells so good.
It smells great. You smell it already.
Yeah.
Me too. So into your chilled coupe, we're going to take a Hawthorne strainer and your double strainer. We're going to strain it right over the chilled coupe, just like that. It's a nice color.
Beautiful color.
Perfect. And then for the garnish, let's do lemon wheel and a fresh basil sprig. There you have the Basil Gimlet. Looks
beautiful.
Great. It is beautiful. Let's give it a shot. Hope you like it. Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think?
That basil really comes through.
Not too
It tastes
hard?
like, a normal gimlet,
Okay.
but with basil.
Would you order it again?
Yeah, I would order it again.
Excellent.
Only if you were making it, though.
Oh, I'm here all the time for you.
Yeah, you're the best. You got the best cocktails, Chris.
Oh, thank you very much. Well, if you like this one,
Yeah.
please like the Blue Collar Bar. Keep coming back for many more. Subscribe. And you can find me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Yeah, well, I'll definitely keep coming back for more great cocktails.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Great to see you.
All right, thanks, Chris.
Thanks a lot.
Yep, bye.
Bye.